Imagine stepping into a room full of strangers, your heart pounding, your palms sweating, and your mind racing with self-doubt. Sounds familiar? That's the power of a lack of confidence. It can hold you back from reaching your true potential. Confidence, or the lack thereof, can shape the course of your life, and today, we're going to explore how to build it. Picture a world where you are the master of your destiny, where fear and self-doubt have no place in your journey towards your goals. That world can be a reality. All it takes is confidence. Confidence, in simple terms, is a belief in one's abilities. It's the invisible force that propels us forward, allowing us to take risks and face challenges head-on. But how does one cultivate this elusive trait? The first step is self-awareness. Understand your strengths, acknowledge your weaknesses, and embrace your uniqueness. Each one of us is a unique blend of talents and flaws, and recognizing this is the first step to building confidence. Next, set realistic goals. When you set achievable goals and work towards them, you feed your confidence. Every small achievement brings you one step closer to becoming a more confident person. Practice makes perfect. This old adage holds true when it comes to building confidence. The more you practice something, the better you get at it. And the better you get at something, the more confident you feel. Surround yourself with positivity. The company you keep can greatly influence your confidence levels. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, who encourage you, and who believe in you. Finally, embrace failure. Failure is not the end of the world, but rather a stepping stone towards success. Each time you fail, you learn something new, and this learning process boosts your confidence. In conclusion, confidence is not something that you are born with. It's a trait that you cultivate over time. It's about understanding your strengths and weaknesses, setting realistic goals, practicing, surrounding yourself with positivity, and embracing failure. So step out of your comfort zone, believe in yourself, and watch as the world opens up to you. Remember, confidence is the key to unlocking your true potential. So go ahead and unlock your potential. The world is waiting for you.